If you can see that you are approaching any line quicker than the others, you just need to recalibrate and add a little more pressure on that side to maintain and achieve uniformity. Once you have approached your line with the 80 to 120 grit sandpaper, you can then move on to a range between 180 to 240 grade. I won't go into the details of grit grading again in this video. Please refer to the bonus sanding video in the bonus videos section of the course for an in-depth explanation. Just remember, the higher the grade of paper, the smoother the finish, but less material is being removed. Before you do move on to the higher grit ranges, make sure that you've sanded down the opposite end of your toe section and both ends of the back and stand sections of your workpieces too. To save time, we want to minimize setup time. So rather than sanding one section of your workpiece with the first range of paper, then changing the paper to the next range, then the next, through all the grades of sandpaper, then having to go back and start all over for the next two pieces, just work your way through methodically, part by part, grade by grade. Sand all of your parts in the first range, then change your paper to the second range, then the third. This means you will only be setting up your new paper 3 times, as opposed to 9 times if you just sanded one part at a time. So reiterating again, sand all of your workpieces using the 80 to 120 range of sandpaper. Swap your sandpaper over to the 180 to 240 range and sand all of your parts again. Then lastly, the same process for all 3 parts using the 400 to 800 range. Reminding you, the key points to consider is to secure your sandpaper, keep your pieces completely flat, push back and forth away from your body, not from side to side. Intermittently check you are progressing toward your line and finishing on the line with your highest grade sandpaper. If you were able to follow those instructions, your parts are now almost ready for glue up.